I love when pieces scream my name. When I walk past, that item, or I'm in the store and I could hear, okay, that piece calling my name from afar. And this is exactly what this bag did when I saw it. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Adele. Here on Passion Heavenly, I share self-development videos in different areas as fashion, beauty, and faith. That sounds like something that you'd be interested in every single week. I do share and I do publish every week. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell right there so that every time I share an informative, a fun video, just like today, you will be notified. And to my elegant, sophisticated ladies, I say a big welcome to you and I give you a virtual hug like I always do. Thank you so much for always being here with me on my channel. We are handbag lovers here. We've already established that we love handbags. I'm a handbag enthusiast, and so I'm always looking to add pieces that will be versatile and will just kind of serve me in ways that I need it to serve me. If you're on the market for everyday tote bag for work, for running errands, for just being on the go, today's video is for you. Make sure I'm sharing my work bags, okay, with you. These are bags that I highly recommend for work and for everyday on the go, okay, but I'm going to kind of talk more in depth about that bag. And that bag that I'm talking about is Coach. It's a bag from Coach, okay, and this is the top of the line collection. And the line that I'm talking about is their Rogue line. Now this bag, comes in, I believe, 2 or 3 sizes, and I have the largest size, which is a size 39. I stumbled upon this bag earlier this year when I went to the Coach store with my daughter. Okay, I had no intentions of picking anything up. When I saw this bag screamed my name from afar. Okay, this is how I pick my bags. I want that bag to call my name. I don't know how best to explain it, but if you're a handbag lover, leave that in the comment section if you grab exactly what I just said. Okay, subscribe to this channel if you're yet to. Okay, I love when pieces scream my name. When I walk past, that item, or I'm in the store and I could hear, okay, that piece calling my name from afar. And this is exactly what this bag did when I saw it. Actually, this Coach Rogue bag that I'm talking about, it screamed my name as soon as I entered that Coach store. Okay, it screamed my name. So let me share the bag that I'm talking about, and this has become my bag of the day. This has become the bag I wear every day. I take it to work. It's my work bag basically, and it's a workhorse. Okay, and like I said, this is a bag from Coach, and it's a bag from their top of the line, which is the Rogue line. This is what the bag looks like, and I have my hand cream in there. So I got it in a sage green color because, again, I love me some color. I love this bag. I've talked about this bag briefly in items I just added into my collection video. And this bag comes with 2 straps. Okay, I have the top handle. I have it in the top handle. It comes in the top handle, and also it comes in the shoulder bag. Now, one of the reasons why I picked up this bag, and I was saying that this bag screamed my name, was because I've never been a tote bag girl, and I love handheld bags, as I've always shared here on my channel. However, I've struggled over the course of years. I have returned bags, I have given bags away, tote bags specifically. I'm talking all about tote bags today, for work and for running errands every day. And I've given bags out just because it hasn't served me in ways that I've wanted to serve me. Now, this might come in a very unusual way. However, I like when my bags can do this. I like when my bags can like go through my hand easily, like so, opposed to me not being able to do this. So this is one of the reasons why this bag, I had to pick it up. And even though this bag is in I think Canadian dollars, it's about 12, 13 plus 100, but I got it on a deal. Okay, I got it for a deal at the Coach store, at the outlets for that matter. Okay, so I got this bag because I could just, this is one of the biggest pro for me about this bag, because I can easily wear this bag on my shoulder. Majority of the bags that I've had in the past, I'm not able to easily, you know, put my hand in there because sometimes my wrist hurts, and I don't like when I have to do this. I don't like when my bags, you know, fall off my shoulder. I've mentioned in, you know, many videos here that I don't like to step out of my house and be uncomfortable. And so I found that the tote bags I've had over the, you know, course of the years has been uncomfortable for me, and I've had to keep adjusting myself, and I don't like that. I like to put on my bag and go on my way. I don't like to adjust myself when I'm out and about. That's why I make sure that, you know, I dress up in a way that best looks good on me and suits me. And my bag is a big accessory for me. Is a big part of my outfit of the day. So this bag, definitely, it is worth, you know, the money. It is worth me waiting on for. Honestly, I feel like, you know, I've waited for this bag without having to know that I've waited for this bag. So having said all of that, ladies, let's get into the details of this bag. The details of this bag is the main reason why I'm actually, you know, doing this video and sharing this particular bag. Right now I have my work stuff in this bag. Okay, I'm going to take out all my work stuff, and then I'm going to share with you more about this bag. Okay, so one of the things I really love about this bag, again, there's so much details in this bag. As you can see, I love the detachable straps that this bag has. I love, you know, also the straps. I love all the hardware. The hardware is actually black. I love that because I know for a fact it's not going to tarnish or anything like that. So I love that. And inside of this bag, there are 3 different fabrics. And there, the outer part is actually a regenerative leather, which is absolutely amazing. Again, this bag is one of the top of the line for Coach, which is the Rogue line. I love the leather. It is calfskin. Inside of the bag has 2 different fabrics. You can, and I also love that tan color inside of the bag. It is suede. The tan side of the bag is actually suede. And when you open up the zipper, it is canvas. It is a cream and brown canvas inside of the bag. This bag is a workhorse. This bag takes a ton. When I tell you a ton of, you know, items. If you want to see what's in my bag, what I carry on a daily basis to work, I would love to share that with you. You know, I do have items like I still wear my face mask, believe it or not, because now I do commute. I never used to commute to work, but now you know, this is part of the things that I'm doing to step out of my comfort zone and just leave my car at home and commute to work. I just wanted to kind of go back to it. However, my commute recently I've never commuted to work the way I've been, you know, commuting to work recently, hence why, you know, this bag is just coming into my life at the right time. Okay, I'm just kind of, you know, challenging myself to do things a bit different. So yeah, so commuting to work with this bag is just an absolute joy. Okay, and going back to the bag, as you can see, it does have this beautiful, is it dog tag, I'm gonna call it, that has the Coach. It has the Coach logo on there. I mean, you can tell even from the, I wish you can see how beautifully crafted this bag is. Like, oh my God, I've never seen anything like this before in my entire life. And as a handbag enthusiast, I've seen and gone through a lot of bags. You can just imagine how many bags I've gone through in my entire life. This bag is just, I don't know what else to say, but it's a workhorse. Okay, I absolutely love this bag. Again, with, you know, I'm a sucker for details in my outfits, in my accessories, in my bags, shoes, whatever the case may be. I love me a good detail piece. Okay, and this bag is doing exactly that. At the bottom of this bag, it does have 4 feet, okay, for protection. I don't put my bag on the floor. I put my bag either on my lap, or if the seat beside me is, you know, vacant, I'll put my bag on there. And another thing that which is a very small detail about this bag, is that underneath it has some words on it that says genuine gloved hand pebbled leather. Like, I love all that detail in this bag. There's a pocket inside the canvas as well. And when you go back to the suede side, which is the tan side. It does have 2 pockets, which are quite big. The Coach logo is also inside it. I just love how well crafted, well made this bag is. This bag, because of the details, and it's been made with metal to kind of hold the bag together. I don't even see this bag breaking. Again, I've never seen a bag for tote bag well made like this before. It's been a joy every single day to have been carrying this bag to work. Like I don't know if I'm ever going to get tired of this bag, and I invested in this bag just because again, going to work, I highly recommend this bag if you are in the market for a workhorse bag, a bag that is going to serve you going to work and running errands. And also this bag, like I said, comes in 3 sizes. It comes in different colors as well, comes in different colorways. I've seen the black and other colors. I'll leave other colors of this bag that I've seen the yellow, even though I'm really tempted to kind of get another one, but I feel like this one is what I need because the other ones are more sturdy. And it's so funny because I love sturdy bags. I've mentioned this many times. I don't like slouchy bags, but this I find is slightly different from the ones I saw at the store and online. The one I saw online at the store is way more sturdy than this one. This is the only one that is kind of slouchy. Like if you see it is kind of slouchy when you have your things in there. It's kind of slouchy, which is I don't know why, but again, this bag screamed my name. The con of this bag, I really wish that it had like a closure, right? Like on this side, on each side. I wish there was a closure here, closure on this side, and then you can kind of clip it together and the bag stays secure, but it doesn't. I absolutely love this bag, and I highly recommend this bag if you're looking for a bag for everyday or a tote bag for work. All right, ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Click that notification bell so that every time I share an informative, a fun video just like today, you will be notified. And on saying that, ladies, you know how we do here on this channel. We do not do any form of drama. We leave all the drama into the details of our outfit. Okay, we don't do any form of drama. We aim to progress in our lives. All right, and God bless you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll definitely answer all your questions. Again, the links will be in the description bar below. Okay, and on saying that, make sure that you follow me on all my socials, on Instagram. Check me out, check my blog out, my website www.passionheavily.com, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, ladies. God bless you. Bye.